People watch to quit porn. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. In this short segment for our No Porn November challenge, what we're going to do is watch people and see them as whole people. Now, if you're triggered by anybody, look at art or nature. They're dopamine producing. You'll brain hack your brain into thinking it got the dopamine from those two things. Make eye contact so you see people as whole people. But the reason we're doing this is so that you can become more socially aware, so that you can see how people are feeling based upon what they say and what they do. And it slows you down so that you can think about how people act. The reason I want you to do that with strangers and people watching is so that you're not emotionally triggered by any people in your life, like your parents, your partner, or your children. All very triggering people. Don't get me wrong, I am all of those things and I'm triggered by all of those things. So that does not come with judgment. Okay, go rock it out.